Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a post on your phone on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the LinkedIn app, open it, and after that, go and as you can see in the bottom of the screen, there is a plus button in the middle and it's written post under it. You have just to click on it. And here you can type whatever you want. For example, I will type hello world. And after that, you will have multiple options. You can post it now when you are typing, or you can click on the clock. So you can schedule that post to whatever time you want. And also you can add pictures to your post by clicking on the picture icon, or click on the three dots and add media, create event, celebrate something, tell something about the job, like you got a new job or you quitted a job. You can create a poll. You can also share a document or share services. And of course, if you are a premium subscriber, you can rewrite your post with AI to make it better if you want. You can share your post to anyone or your connections only, or to some group. And of course, you can also control the comments. Like if you want everyone to comment or your connection only, or you don't want anyone to comment on your post. And also you can add or activate brand partnership if you are doing a partnership with some brands. And after that, you can just click on post and your post was posted successfully. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you